Hello guys, this is Sheikh. Today I'm going to talk about um, how to use website templates and use it to your advantage, so that you don't have to pay a website developer $300 for a basic website. This is useful for if you wanna talk about your work, your company. It's not useful though if you're looking for social networking, heavier web design with databases and so on. You can go into Google and you can type free website templates. I am right now at www.freewebsitetemplates. It doesn't matter where you get your template as long as you can download it in a folder where the images and the cascading style sheets, everything is there. So today I'm going to be working with this one. I just downloaded. You have to download it and unzip it. So this, I will show you how to change this picture, how to change these pictures, how to change these, right? And each one of these point to another. I will also show you how to create a page for each of these, and so on. And this is I will also show you here if you want to put whatever you want to put here, but this one is not really important. I'll focus only on this and so on. So once you know how to do this, once you're done, you can just upload it to your web hosting, and then you have a working website, and you can change the background too. This is just a basic design for regular websites. So as we keep going, I downloaded it. It's called Charity. So the first thing, and after that I had unzip it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on let's click on image first. All right. This, right, you when you click on image, you open it with Microsoft Paint or any other editing software that's in your system. So this is the main one. Now what we have to do is we have to go online and look for, let's say I'm talking about what I'm doing, which is rhyming dictionary. So I'm gonna go to a website, images.google, right? You can find it in your system, or you can find it on Google. So well, I have already a rhyming dictionary before photos, so I'm going to use those. Whatever picture you have is fine. So let me just try to move quickly so I can save a few minutes. So here it is on the Android. So what I'm going to do here, it's simple. We're just gonna take this guy and let me see. So I'm gonna copy this guy. Just hope it was faster. Okay, right. I'm going to copy this. Again, the best thing is to leave the size of whatever it is, right? So in this case, doesn't matter. You can just extend it, and I hope it looks fine. It's not really that important. So okay, so it's just to show you. All right, so this is fine. So you just do save, right? Okay, we did one. The next thing is we look at the image folder again. We want to change this. That depends on the website. So let's say we want to change all these and make it, you know, rhyming dictionaries, pictures. So what we will do here, just do it quickly. Okay, that's very small. I know some pictures to use. That's not that small. Okay, let me see. Okay, I want to use this one. Sorry. And the best thing is to use something that's the same size, so you don't have to crop it, because chances are when you crop it, when you crop it, what happens is especially use something that's of the same size, so the pictures and everything looks perfect, you know. So because if you change it in a little bit, right, certain things might not look good. So let's save this. So what I'm doing here is very simple. You just take whatever picture is here and you just paste your own picture on it. It could be, you know, I'm using it could be any picture you find online, or it could be your own logo, anything. So okay, this is it's hard to get it. Okay, getting quicker now. All right, so right. Okay, I just did two pictures now. These two pictures, I'm gonna leave it like this, so that you understand a little bit. So now we go back. Now we will look at into index. We open index with Notepad. You can open it with anything. So so what I want to change here, I'm going to change these links. I mean, I'm not going to change the, I'll show you how to change the links, but I'm just going to show you how to change. We can change this into about, we can change this into services, media, and so on. So just to show you quickly, okay, how do I know? Okay, this is home, right? This is home, this is who we are. So I change this to about us, right? Make a donation. I want to change this to our services. If you're familiar with a little bit of website, you will know that you can redirect, when they click, you can redirect it to another website in here. When they click our services, you can direct it to another page. I will show you how to do this. Our work, we can leave it like that. News and press, we can just use it as just news. And contact, you can just contact us. We just leave it as contact, so that you will see the changes that's being done. Now I'm just gonna click on, double click on the index. It's gonna open on Firefox. So as you can see, the picture I just changed is here, but it's not suitable pictures because this should have been a different color. The black color should have been a different color. As you can see here, this is changed. This is changed. This I left it alone. As you can see here, there was here who we are. I changed it to about us, and I changed it was news and press. I changed it to news. It was contact us. I changed it to contact. Now I'm going to show you how to change here. This part here, the text. So just to go quickly, if you don't know, you just kind of like take a word here to know where you're gonna go. You're gonna be, I'm looking for forget, so I'm just gonna search right away. It's gonna take me there. Okay, so say welcome to our organization. I'm gonna change welcome to irap123 rhyming dictionary, right? um, so now here, you can paste whatever your text is. This is the text, so I'm just gonna type something like weeks. Okay, because I had already okay, so what I will do here, I'll copy and paste this text here. So it says don't forget, so we just, if you know, all you have to do is just know a little bit of HTML and so on. So and then you can type, I'm just going to type here my website. This is just a link. So app photo, I'm going to change that a little bit. As I was saying in here, like when they click home, you can just, you know, they just put their own advertisement. The best thing is just to index.html, because we have index file there. About us here, you just have to change it to about us. I'm going to show you how to create a about us file, about us.html. Now if you like, okay, now I just show you how to create the about us file. It's just going to be an empty file. So in the folder where the index, you know, the style sheet, everything is, you know, you have your own okay, you take let's take a notepad, and then I just say this is about us page. You have to save it in that folder. In my case, I save it in templates, you know, so this is where I save it. Make sure you click all files, then you click about us.html. Okay, this is the about us HTML. Now if I save everything, right, just to show you, just to refresh this again. So as you can see here, I changed this, welcome to irap123 rhyming dictionary. Word has it that rappers are using irap123 and so on. I just changed this. I added my link. Now when I click about us, it's not going to show me this, is going to show me a new page. So this is just how you can, again, we can copy and paste. When I go to like about us page, the best way is to copy and paste it. I'm just going to show you quickly, and once you know how to do this, open about us with notepad and copy and paste everything that's on index.html, right? So, and then I just want to show people, I just want to show, okay, now I'm just going to delete some of these things, you know, so that people know, okay, this is about us page. So welcome, right? I just say welcome, this is about us page. So this is the major thing. You will see the difference. So save and refresh. So you see welcome, this is about us page. So, and the same, everything is here. So basically, and you can do the same thing for this one, for this link, for this link, for this link, and you can change the latest news link just like that. You just search wherever it is there, you just delete it and put your own content, and this just works fine. Again, to just speak it quickly again, you can go back and forth in the, so how do I know? Again, again, there's nothing to change here. You can change the title here where you see the two title, you just put the name of your website, Arab123 rhyming dictionary, right? And so on. That's it. So, and then and this is just the header. This is a little bit messy. This is just the style sheets. You don't have to be worried about that. Again, if you want to change the color, I can show you where to change the color. The thing to remember is just where you see our services is one of the links there. Where you see home here is one of the links there. Where you see our work is one of the links there. News, one of the links here. So all you have to do is change the name of this and the links where it points to, and I hope that is very clear. That's the image. You can choose a better image. So I'm just going to show you quickly where the style sheets are and where to change. This will be different a little bit where you have to change the body color. Okay, you see body, you see color. You can use anything, but I'm going to use white. So if it's white, you have to really make it all FFF. Okay, let's see. I hope it is that or the other way. No, it's okay, let me see. Wait. Okay, style sheet. I touched the wrong part. Okay, background color. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the background color. So we want to make it all white. So we just, I don't know if it's okay. Or if you want to make it all white, we just make it all zeros. No, all Fs. All Fs. So we want to make this instead of green. We want to make it white. Okay. All right. So this we made it white, and we can change. We can choose another background color, but this is not the best. We can choose another background color for this. Again, all you have to do is just play with, the style sheet file, and you have to know which one you're changing also. But again, the best way to avoid this is to choose something that resembles closely what you want. There are many templates out there. So when you are ready and everything is set, when you change everything, so all you have to do is go to your web hosting. For me, it's Arvix. So I'm going to Arvix now. Arvix. Actually, Arvix is a very good company. So I am promoting them right now. So okay, all you have to do is do your login. I don't know. I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, I got in. Hosting accounts. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go to my cPanel. Okay. Now I want to create a new subdomain. This is almost the same for everything. So I'm gonna call my subdomain Arab123, and my main domain was, and it still is, baobableaves.com. So baobableaves.com. That's my website. Again, there's nothing in it, but what's important here, if you want to see what happened here, you just type okay, Arab123.baobableaves.com. So now we gotta go back, and I'm gonna go to Arab123. That's what I just created now, and here I am. And I'm just gonna, for my case, I'm just gonna have to upload everything that I just changed. So I go back to my folder. Let me put it. waaw soo cliquer index bi soo cliquer index bi da nga koy ubbi ak notepad après soo ko ubbee ak notepad léegi mën nga changer link yu nekk si kaw mooy comme home contact ubbi nga index ok wante soo bëggee tam loo bëgg a njëkk a changer mooy xam naa kii bi ngay njëkk a changer nu tuddati sax image folder bi ngay dem après nga changer image yi mais soo changer image yi da ngay wut image boo xam ne dafay tolloog comme même image bi pour mu bañ ok waaw maa ngi defal benn kii sax benn vidéo nii maa ngi defal benn waaw xam su ma defee si vidéo sax mooy gën a baax dama koy def si benn vidéo laay def YouTube ak dugal si YouTube après waaw maa ngi koy def léegi maa ngi koy def si YouTube léegi xam naa su ma ko defee si YouTube moom ak tamit su fekkee soo amee idée tamit da ngay xool website boo xam ne moom nga bëgg léegi soo bëggee website boobu da nga may wax partie bu nekk loo bëgg bind bi nekk fa xam nga soo defee noonu soo ma wanee noonu tamit média ok wax nga dëgg soo ubbee média bi ok am na bu ma def nii sax sànq léegi wante xam naa ok vidéo bi sax pare na léegi xam naa dama koy kii mais dina xam